A good afternoon to you. It's early afternoon here in Lennoxtown, Eastern Bartonshire in Scotland for a special update on Katia, the low that is producing now hurricane force winds across a few locations across the UK, including North Wales. I've seen a gust, certainly off the latest Met Office observation, the highest gust I've seen so far is 76 miles per hour in North Wales. And Castlederg, County Tyrone in Northern Ireland has seen a gust of 74 miles an hour. And these gusts, I think, are going to continue through the rest of today and into the overnight hours across the UK. Winds across Scotland are gradually picking up. Here across central Scotland, the gusts are starting to whip about a wee bit more. And we've got persistent driving rain at the moment. I'm going to show you a live satellite image of the University of Cologne website. And I don't know if it's very clear, folks, but you can see here some ripples in the actual cloud over the UK, and those ripples are actually the wind bouncing over the hills across North Wales. So very impressive. You can see it better, folks, on the actual website I've got, and you can see those ripples a lot better. But the winds are really ripping down around a centre of circulation right here. A very, very powerful wind setup across the UK, and the worst of the winds so far we've seen is across North Wales, and I think that those winds are going to gradually start to increase northwards up into Scotland. We've seen gusts up into the 60 mile per hour range now across places like Prestwick and Ayrshire, and the winds will increase as we approach tea time. I think we're going to be seeing gale force winds uniformly by around 5 PM this evening, and I think the winds will actually start to increase even further as we enter the dark hours of night. So certainly this event, this wind and rain event and potential flooding event as well in some places, because we could be seeing 1 to 3 inches of rain quite uniformly across Scotland. But certainly I think as the afternoon wears on and we progress into the overnight hours, I think the worst of this Hurricane Katia will impact Scotland. I'm going to be heading up to Campsies. Campsies roughly around 500 or 600 feet above sea level, a bit more exposed to that southwest wind. I'm going to try and get a couple of live reports for you and trying to emphasise the strength of the wind here across west central Scotland. Of course, exposed coasts as well as the higher terrain is always going to see the strongest winds. We're going to be seeing, I think, 80 to 90 mile an hour quite comfortably today, I think, and perhaps up by Cairngorm Summit up in the Central Highlands, which is above 4,000 feet, and it's very exposed up there. We're probably going to see winds in excess of 100 miles an hour quite easily, I think. So certainly living up to the billing, so to speak, of hurricane force winds, I think, and we'll continue to see strong winds rattling off the west-southwest as the day progresses. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the blog and here on Facebook as well for updates, and I'm going to get out and get myself soaked and windswept soon, and I'll try and get some of those videos uploaded to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, folks. Bye-bye.